this generation will have the class in the 7th semester, and the problem is that that will be about August 2011. So in the meantime, set up orders, the material hasn't arrived, anything that prevents the machine or the person that is adding value to add value to the customer, that's what we try to avoid with Jidoka. Jidoka is for avoiding problems. And just in time, we have already discussed, the goal is to avoid overproduction. See the difference? The first one is related with the needs of the customer. What does the customer needs in terms of what product, when, how much, how many. And Jidoka has to be with the problems within the company. This is sometimes some people sometimes say that lean manufacturing has not developed tools to improve quality. First, we discovered that some tools were not necessary because the function was already covered by another tool. That means that if you remember, there is a step when you do a random function list, where you have a list of all the objects. Here we have the Heijunka boards, we have visual control, we have view lines. Those were the elements of the system, and the functions were listed. And after finishing after doing the fast diagram, we discovered that many of the functions of some of the items that were not listed yet were already covered in the fast. So there were some examples like the U lines that were not included here because another tool had already covered that function. So we discovered that there are many tools that can achieve the same functions. So that means that in a company, there is a risk of duplicating the efforts, using two tools for the same purpose. So that is wasting time also, waste of efforts. There are not so many new tools available. That means that Toyota didn't invent too many